So I'm just trying to use the kubectl-ai project by GCP and see how good it is and how it can help me, do troubleshooting for my Kubernetes cluster. Obviously, I'm starting with my demo cluster. So the first thing that I'm doing here is I exported my config and I ran the curl command to install the kubectl-ai repository, and then I added my Gemini API key, and now I did kubectl-ai and it says, hey there, what can I help you with today? Is there any of my pods, I just ask it simple, is any of my pods misperforming badly? The first response that came was this one. It took about 10 seconds, but it then decided to start with, run this command. It seems I'm having a trouble connecting to your Kubernetes cluster. The command to fetch pod information failed. The connection was
config उसमें .yaml नहीं है तो even if so the command we run this one .yaml हटा के बाकी
so it's gonna get kubectl get pods A, all pods are up and running. Okay, so it did work now. Now let me ask it, hey, can you check all the restarts that might have happened in the last few hours, and if you are able to correlate it with anything specific from the events. We should be able to do this. So firstly, it's looking at the list you provided earlier. It appears all have restart 0 currently. This means none of them have restarted. It will fetch recent cluster events, shows a lot of activity related to node scaling changes, pod scheduling, and so it's identified some events by running this command, and then it is giving me an analysis correlation with pod restarts, and okay, conclusion, and everything looks okay. Now let me do something risky. Hey, can you delete my maybe which node should I delete? Maybe I can get a namespace deleted, or maybe can you delete my pods? Let's see what it does now. Deleting pods directly can be risky if they are managed by a high-level controller. The controller would likely just recreate them. Which pods and what namespace are they in? Once I have the more specific commands. For example, if you want to delete all the pods related to cart application, namespace you would define. Delete the cart deployment. So now, are you sure you want to proceed? This will, okay, cool, no. Awesome, so it's able to do a bunch of different things. It's able to query my cluster, it's able to get my pods, it's able to do an analysis of the cluster events, it's trying to do correlation as well, and it's also able to basically smartly identify that something's going to change, and it's asking for double approvals in case of deletion, and yeah, I think this is great. Okay, loved the idea of kubectl-ai. You'll love what DrDroid does for your stack.